Hi, this is Steve Biggs, Boatshed Norfolk, with the inside of today's new listing, which is the 1972 Apollo 32 Scandinavian cruiser. This is a very roomy, spacious boat, very nice. Twins Perkins 4236. Seagoing boat if you want it to be. Pot around on the rivers with beautiful manoeuvrability if you want to do that. Navigation system, depth, 3 windscreen wipers. Woodwork's all pretty good. Nice little touches of storage and your commando dagger. Engines under the floor, you'll see those shortly. Plenty of storage. More storage under this seat. Side pocket bins. Typical Scandinavian boat. It's got a nice little aft cabin. So if we come down, that's the cockpit table. Stood there, which is resplendent with its fiddle rails. Little vanity at the back and twin berths. I am 5'10". I can't quite stand up. I think 5'7" you just about would. But large, full height wardrobe. Heating to the rear cabin from the McKinney diesel heater. Your battery isolator switches are under the steps here. So the boat can sleep 6. She's set up to sleep probably 4 at the moment. I'll tell you why in a minute. Good canopy. 2 years old. Blue on the outside, nice light grey on the inside, which makes the cockpit very nice and light. Down the companionway to the saloon. 2 stairs. Slightly raised saloon area, large table which lowers down to make this into a double bed or a large single. There are no infill cushions for it, there never have been. So if you lower the table down, you'll want to have a cushion made to this shape. Probably a 2-piece cushion, that way you can store it under the front. Isotherm refrigerator. Windows were all fitted by this owner when he had the boat 23 years ago. She doesn't seem damp or have any funny smells. She looks very dry. Heads compartment, electric toilet, electric flush. Not a full wet compartment with a shower tray, but there is a shower here. So you can shower over that if you wish. Galley. Pretty much all you'll need. Plenty of storage. Flavel Vanessa. I had one of these on a boat once and it was one of the best cookers I've ever had on a boat. It was like a miniature blast furnace and cooked things beautifully. Loads of storage. And plenty of workspace too. Moving forward, you do have a separating curtain which comes across the rail. That's this, either side. So you can separate the forward section. Under there is enormous storage, absolutely huge. There's the infill cushion and infill piece. So you can use it as a saloon sitting area during the day. And a bedroom at night. Wonderful visibility out the aluminium windows, really nice. This is a lovely, lovely little boat, really is. If you'd like further information on this Apollo 32 Scandinavian cruiser, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.